Hello everyone, this is Pat and I am back with another video. The video what I have for you, I have a couple of appliances and I have some cooking utensils that I would like to show you. So the first item that I have this eight piece pot set. And it has in it, it has a big pot in it. It has like a medium-sized pot. So it's basically got like five, no, so that's like a skillet. No, it got like 4 pots in here. And it got like 2 skillets, and it got utensils, 2 spatulas. And these utensils, some spoons. And I picked this set up at Walmart, and I only paid $25 for it. I got this back like a couple of months ago. I'll say probably like in April sometime. And the next one that I have, the next appliance that I have this 2-set Pioneer Woman 2-set little crock pots. Like you could make like, like make like some rotel in them or something, like some rotel dip. Probably can cook some chili in it or something like that. But I have 2 of these, and I also got this at Walmart, and I got this for $15. And the next item that I have this 2-pack of little muffin little blunt little pans. So I gotta turn them around. That's how they look. It's 2 in here. And I also got this at Walmart for $7. Yup. $7. Couldn't beat that. And I'm going to try to make, what I'm going to use this pan to make, I want to make out of it is some homemade banana nut muffins. I want to make banana nut muffins out of these 2 pans. That would be nice, I think. And I have 2 more. Another appliance. And another, my last one is the cooking appliances. And this right here, I have this little chocolate dipping pot. And you could put like, put like some chocolate in here and let it melt, and then like stick strawberries down in there or whatever you want to, use it for. Yep, and I had the little, I had a little stick that come in here with it. I think this one, let me show you. I think this is a cute little pot though. I had like little different little sticks that come in here with it. Like you pick them up, they made like this. Yeah, where you stick down in the strawberry. And I have like 4 of these. 4. Yeah. Put this back in here. And I also got this at Walmart. And I paid $3 for this. $3. And my last item that I have a taco rack. This taco rack here. Yeah, I think this is so nice. It's by the people that, I mean, the product is named by is Black Stone. It's a stainless steel taco rack, and it holds 6 tacos. One, two, three, four, five, six. I think this was nice. I picked this up at Walmart, but this wasn't on sale. But I paid $11.97 for this. Yep. I think this is nice to hold some tacos. You just fix your tacos up, put them in there, put them in the shells and fix your tacos up and eat right out of this. This is so nice. I had to get this. Yeah, so that is all the items that I have for you. So like, comment, subscribe, comment down below, and thanks for watching. And let me know if you want to see any more hauls like this. Bye.